This here gun warms up quickly and is quieter than my hairdryer. I used this heat gun to finish cooking my freshies and for popping bubbles in my resin. All around wonderful purchase. This is perfect for packaging my soaps. I'm hoping it lasts me a long time. I absolutely love this heating gun. Heats up fairly quickly and works as described. This was well worth the investment in cost and quality. I use it to seal my lotion bottles and lip balm containers. Used this heat gun with a pyrograph G marker to make a cute little sign. Worked perfect. Compact and lightweight. Worked with the marker within seconds. I bought this product to customize candles and it works perfectly. Pictures are old with poor quality, but I tried with a good quality photo and looks beautiful. I use this heat gun for my candles. It helps so much. Very simple and efficient. Good product for crafts like paint pouring and other types of painting. It takes the air bubbles out of paint. I haven't tried it on anything else other than my painting. I recommend this for anyone who does painting. Works great. Great price also. Easy to use. I used it for my package of my soaps and it makes them look more fancy. Buen producto calienta bien y llego rápido. Used it for some interior detailing on my car. Worked very well. Really easy to use and hold. Hoping it lasts. A little worried about how much care was put into this thing with the sticker being improper. I bought this heat gun to shrink wrap on products I sell in my small home business. I was amazed at the speed at which it worked. Also, it arrived only a few days after I ordered it. I am very happy with this purchase. I have found that this works wonders with sealing my soaps and other products. It does get really hot, so be careful. Item arrived in great working condition. I just used it on stencil painting on my canvas. It dried quick and was able to do the next portion in seconds. This is critical. It wasn't heavy at all and easy to work with. This heat gun works great. I use it for my crafting and it does the trick. It gets very hot very quick. No complaints here. Unboxed this today. Yet to use but seems good. Gets hot very fast and isn't that loud. Great for the money. I do lots of shrink wrap baskets and this is much faster than my hairdryer. Although there's no before and after pic nor vid, I'm happy with it. Click link in description for more reviews.